morning, guys. So, as usual, skin check. So, you might think that it's all good now, but I do occasionally have some new acne. I know it's not visible here, but it's actually here. You know, when you get those, like, I think it's called blind pimple. So, you don't have that visible whitehead or any like red spots, but let me tell you, it's here and it's hurting me.